Hey guys, I'm going to show you a way to stay organized with your grocery shopping list and your grocery budget. This is a super easy spreadsheet to use. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. It's available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. So here we go. Okay, so this is the grocery budget and this is your shopping list. We'll start with the budget. We can put in, say, our planned budget, and let's just pretend that this is going to be weekly. So we can type in here that our planned budget is $250. Our total budget is going to be everything that's going to be in column H, and then our total spent is going to be everything in column I. Okay, so let's just put the date in here. And then it will choose from the drop-down box the category. So let's just say it's produce, and then let's buy some apples. And let's say our budget is $5, and then we actually spent, $3.50. So it'll show the difference of $1.50. As we spend on items in the grocery store, you can see that this is going to be broken down by category. The larger slices, you'll see what you've spent the most on by categories. So you see that I've spent the most money on meat. I've spent $42.19. This is our shopping list. So this is a great place to just have in advance what items we plan on buying from the store every week. And I personally like to shop at two different grocery stores when I'm going shopping because there's some better things at some stores than others. Okay, so let's just come in here and let's write down our apples again. The category is produce. Let's write farmer's market. And then let's write, $4.50. And then we can check it off as we've purchased it. So this is also great to just know, okay, I know my particular cost by store. And so sometimes if you want to, price match and remember, okay, apples at this store were more expensive than another store, that's helpful as well to write that down. And then this is also really great to use. You can access this through the Google Sheets app on your phone so that when you're at the store, so you can remember your grocery list and then check things off as you purchase them. So super easy spreadsheet to use. I have lots of other sheets available on my website. I have over 400 sheets to help you with your budget, your home, and your business. So feel free to check me out at savvyandthriving.com, and you guys have a wonderful day.